Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at the Get Connected Zone for Plantworx, and I'm joined by Ralf. Ralf, you've got some really cool technology here, and this is what it's all about, connecting machines to the environment around them. I don't know if you can see behind me here, folks, but we've actually got a dozer that's going along the site and mapping it out in 3D with some special cameras and something that goes on top. What's it all about, and how have you put all that together to be able to use it on rough terrain that we see with the equipment?
Yeah, we have developed a special device called SDX Compact that's combining laser scanning and camera technology so that you can create a 3D model of the site in real time while working. That means the machinery is working on site, and at the same time it's documenting how the terrain looks, and you can elaborate how many cubic meters have been moved and where they have been moved. And that enables everybody from anywhere in the world to see what's going on site.
So what we're saying here is we've actually got a solution whereby you're mapping what things have been done. So they've actually been done on site. So fundamentally we're saying as dug, as dozed, all of that sort of stuff that we've got on the job site, and so we can see in real time what's going on and how much has been done, I guess.
Exactly, that's what's all about. And the coolest thing about it is you can switch it from device to device. So if you have it on the excavator on the one day, you just use it on the dozer the other day.
Right.
And then it enables you to see all project phases across a single project in a single cloud with a single device. And you don't need to collect data manually outside. Yeah.
So what's really exciting about this, folks, is we've got a modularized system here that is usable on different types of plant and equipment. So obviously when we're doing some dozing work, we want to see all the terrain, we want to see if we've got the levels right. We want to also match that with machine control as well. So how do you integrate the two together? Because obviously you're collecting lots of data, and then you've obviously got those models to see what needs to happen in the future.
Exactly. All the models you need for your assistance system or 3D meshing control, you can upload them in our cloud and see the direct difference that's missing or what you need to work on. So you can see, for example, that you need to move 10,000 more cubic meters, or you need more material to fill back. And all that in our cloud. Or you can combine the GNSS receivers from your machine control system directly into our system, so that we do not need to supply our own GNSS antennas.
That is really important. It's the functionality that matters. It's the integration. This is why it's called the Get Connected Zone, folks, because people are working together in the industry instead of saying we've got a system here, doesn't work with this system. By literally amalgamating that together with people that have got already on their machines 3D machine control from the likes of like a Geosystems, for example, then you've got your system on top. Really allows us to look at a project and say, this is where we are. This is what we've got to do. We couldn't do anything last week because it's torrential rain. We couldn't move the work. So how are we going to manage the flow of the project? And all of that really is important, isn't it?
Exactly, and it's especially about reaction time.
Yes.
Everybody knows exactly what is going outside. No site visits, no long drives. You know in a second what is going on, and then enables to have a way more coordinated management overall, of course.
And so, folks, that works really. And so, folks, that works really well when you've actually got all the data coming from one place. You can actually see in 3D what's going on. You're interacting with all of the different functionalities on site. That means we're going to be more productive, more efficient, more safe on site, because we're not sending people out to measure these things, and we're not sending other devices out to measure them because the machine's doing it for us, isn't it?
That's the idea, and that's the product, yeah.
Fantastic. Great to meet you.
Thanks.